To use this environmental edition stabilized output UPS that uses your router adapter, first unplug the adapter plugged to your router. Before using the UPS, make sure you have ordered the correct configuration of the router UPS. Voltage indicated in the UPS should match the voltage indicated in the router adapter. Connect your router adapter to the input, the UPS. The indicator in the UPS should turn on. Now connect the output of the router UPS to your router as shown here. Make sure the connector is snugly fit. Some routers have the small pin connectors. Use conversion cables provided. Your router should now start up. To validate the UPS is working, disconnect the adapter connected to the UPS. Your router will continue to operate. Now reconnect the adapter to the UPS and enjoy years of interruption-free internet. If you need longer backup time, look at other models or contact us.